boys and girls, I bring you EMERY by Noriko. EMERY is part of Noriko's Fall 2020 collection. Now this is a chin length bob. It's layered, you can see here, and it's even layered in the back. It's a very classic layered bob, but it also has a bit of a modern flair to it. I love how the length in the front frames the face beautifully. It features a temple-to-temple, nearly invisible lace front. It has a left-hand side monofilament part and also pre-teasing at the top to help keep it full of volume and movement. Well, let's take a closer look at this beautiful new style. EMERY has a 100% hand-tied, nearly invisible temple-to-temple lace front, and it also has a left-hand side 100% hand-tied monofilament part. Under this fabric is a small amount of permatease, which gives the style its shape and lift. On either side of the cap are adjustable velour ear tabs. The sides and the back are open wefted to allow air circulation and scalp coolness. On either side of the velour extended nape are bra-like adjusters, which allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to ½ inch. Here's EMERY, and I love how the sides curl just slightly so that it accentuates the jawbone and the neckline. Take a look at this side as well. Very flattering. The cap size on EMERY is Petite-Average. My head size is average, 22 inches in circumference, and this Petite-Average cap fits me very snug right out of the box with the adjustable straps on the loosest setting. So I do not recommend this wig for anyone with a larger than 22-inch circumference. Certainly if you're a petite or petite average, you can wear this style perfectly. The fiber is just a beautiful, high-quality Japanese Moda acrylic synthetic fiber. It's regular synthetic. It is not heat-friendly, and it looks this wonderful right out of the box. I just gave it a little shake, did a little bit of finger positioning, and I was ready to go. So this is a wonderfully convenient, very modern style. EMERY's lace front is beautifully done. As you can see, this is a dark color, and the knots are not pronounced. Just beautiful. It looks like a natural hairline. The left-hand side monofilament part is also hand-tied and beautifully done. Now, if you wanted a little bit of a wider parting space that's not quite so dense, you could always use tweezers to pluck the fibers from the parting space, but be very careful as you don't want to overpluck and you don't want to tear the monofilament. Let's take a look at this gorgeous new style from all sides. The front, left side, the back. The back is beautifully cut. And as you can see, it's above the collar. So this should be a long-lasting style, as the back should not have a lot of friction from clothing. Right side. EMERY's measurements are 7.1 inches here at the front fringe. The crown is 6.3 inches long, and the nape is 2.4 inches long. The weight of emery is 2.9 ounces. So that tells you of all the fiber density that you get with this style. Let's talk about this beautiful new ombre color, Kandy Brown-LR. The LR stands for long rooted. Now you should know there is a $10 upcharge when you order a wig from Noriko in this color. Kandy Brown-LR is a rich medium brown with warm brown and auburn highlights and a long dark brown root. Very warm, very rich looking. Let's take a look at this color outside in natural light. This style is perfect right out of the box. This is like a shake and go kind of wig. However, with the lace front, you certainly could wear this wig off the face. You could pin it back with a barrette, for example, or you could wear a headband with this style. You have the left-hand side monofilament part, so you can't really move the part with this particular style. Now it does look beautiful, tucked behind the ear. It almost gives this style a very elegant, chic look, doesn't it, to have it tucked behind the ear like this. If you're interested in purchasing emery, I highly recommend the website PinkeePromise.com. They carry emery in all of the beautiful Noriko colors. They have great customer service and free shipping. When you get to the website, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom, sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code, good on your first purchase, plus you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. If you have questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below the video. Now, if you wear emery, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribing is free, and you'll receive an alert every time I upload a wig review, color comparison video, how-to video, and much, much more. Well, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.